Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life, and today's tutorial is on quilling Rakhi. So on this channel I share a lot of videos, tutorials on paper quilling, card making, scrapbooking and other stuff. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So as I already mentioned, today we are going to make the Rakhis. The requirements are as shown on your screen, and here are the three designs which we are going to learn in today's video. Okay, these are the strips which I have taken. The initial plan actually I must say was to create a lotus. The idea in my mind was to create a beautiful lotus, like 5 petal lotus and then some leaves beneath it. So for that I had taken two shades of pink, the light and the dark, to give it a bit shape, and I even tried to make some uneven strips because the center one will be bigger, the one with the on the side will be smaller, and one on the like one step ahead from the center will be even smaller. So I created some uneven shapes over here by making a tight coil, then losing it, making a teardrop and then bending the teardrop. Okay, so this is basically a bent teardrop shape. So in this way I created few shapes. And I tried to make a lotus out of it, not rose. I tried to make a lotus out of it. So for that, I kept the center one as simple teardrop, not the bent one. And I tried to paste the rest of the shapes around it. Okay. But I didn't like it. It was not coming well. And I finally discarded this idea of making the lotus here. I wanted to share this with you all because I want you to understand that these kind of things happen very frequently when you are designing something new, and if you don't like it, you can surely tweak the design and make something new out of it. Okay. Like I mentioned in my first video of this series that I was creating a blue color Rakhi, I was not liking that design, so I just left it in between, and then after creating another Rakhi I came back to that one, added one extra color to that tight coil, and I was good to go, right? So here what I did, like when I didn't like the lotus shape, I pasted the strips like this, and tried to make another shape of flower, but I was not even liking it because it was looking incomplete to me. So I tried making some leaf, a small leaf, one or two, to give it a better look. So for that I took this leaf green color, and I created a small leaf out of it. But again, it was not uh, looking complete to me, or I was not liking the design. There was something missing. So I tried a lot of things like putting the leaf here or maybe there or some other place, but I was not liking it at all. So I created one more shape which I already created, this time a little bigger, because the center one was a bit little bigger, as I told you already. So here also I created similar size, and then I pasted it like this, so it became a flower, like an elongated flower. And then I created the Rakhi out of it, and it came out really beautiful. So here I found that the design was complete and I was actually liking it, right? And yeah, the people who are watching this video, like for the first time on my channel, So this is basically a series of quilling Rakhi, and this is the third video in the series. In the past two video I shared three designs each, so this is basically the seventh design in my series. Okay, 6 designs I already have shared in the past videos. I will share the link in the I button, and you can watch those if you are interested. So here I tried to paste my Rakhi on the base, and the base circle was bigger because my Rakhi was not circular but sort of oval shape. So I cut the circle out a bit and then I pasted my Rakhi on it. And then I put these leaves on the opposite sides. In the center I am going to put a stone or rhinestone or maybe a pearl small size to complete it. You can even use the tight coil used from another color of the strip. So yeah, with this the Rakhi is done. Very simple and elegant design. This can be used as a kid Rakhi, or maybe the girl, for the girls in the home, they can wear it. Setting up my rhinestones and pearls near the Rakhi as we did till now. And yeah, with this the Rakhi is done. I could have shown you directly the design, but I wanted to share with you the process of the failures as well. So yeah, here the Rakhi is done. Now let's move to the second design. This is a very simple design. This is sort of evil eye design, and for that I took 3 shades of purple. I put a lighter shade in the one side, on the other side, and in the middle I took the darker shade, and using single strip of each color, and I am crimping the strip here. So I used 3 mm strip over here, but I feel later I felt that the 5 mm strip for the crimpled one are better than the 3 mm. So you can try with the 5 mm strip as well. This design will look more beautiful in the 5 mm. So after rolling it a bit, I am doing the whole roll using my hands, and because the crimps, otherwise the crimps can open, so you don't have to put a lot of pressure while creating the roll. So with this the tight coil is ready. You can apply the coat of glue on one side to make it more stable, because this Rakhi was not very stable due to the crimping thing. Otherwise tight coils are very stable thing, but this was an exception in that case. So you can apply the glue, and yeah, here while applying the glue, the pressure basically it disformed my Rakhi a bit, but you can do it with a little bit of care. So this was a very simple design. You can create it in any color combination. On the back side I felt that the paper was smaller, so I cut a bigger circle, and I again pasted a paper on this back side so that the Rakhi is more stable, because I was feeling that this Rakhi was deforming a lot. So here the Rakhi is done. I suggest you to try this design in 5 mm and not in 3 mm. It will come better. The third design is this one. The story behind this design is also very interesting. I started with some random colors like yellow, red, dark green, blue. I created a long strip out of it and I created a tight coil. Now again what happened was, like, when this tight coil was ready, I was not liking the colors because the colors were not actually visible. I took most of the color as dark, so they were not coming out highlighted, right? You cannot identify the colors over here except the yellow and a bit of red. So what I did was I added a teal color, a lighter color of strip. It is basically in the shade of bluish green, sort of teal color. Okay, and still I was not liking it actually. So anyhow I went ahead and I created a tight coil dome from this tight coil just to highlight the colors. uh, and whenever we create a dome from the tight coil, we apply a layer of glue beneath so that it stays in its place. Okay, let it dry for some time. Then I took the yellow and the red color, one fourth each strip, and I created few small teardrop shapes, one with the red inside and some with the yellow inside. Okay, so the plan was to place them in the alternate scheme, and frankly speaking, I was not liking this design until the end. So, but I still continued with it because I had no other option at that time. I wanted to complete it and I had to complete it. Okay, so I pasted these small teardrops around this dome in the alternate fashion. Okay, and at even at this point I was not liking it much. Okay, I felt that the color were not visible, they are not looking good or something like that. I mean, this thing was there in my mind whole time. And then the magic happened when I put this stone on the center, and I like pasted this Rakhi on the base. This Rakhi came out to be the most royal design till now. It became my favorite actually, and I created a lot of these this design for my I created the same design for my born brother. I sent him this Rakhi. I created this design for like one or two cousins as well. So yeah, this came out to be the most beautiful design, and even from the clients I got orders for this design a lot. So sometimes just go with the flow, and in the end you will like the result. Sometimes this happens. So yeah, with this the whole 9 Rakhis design are ready. In the next video I will share with you how to make a pair Rakhi. Okay, so later I even created the pair for this one and a few of the previous designs as well. So it was easy, and you can follow the step in the next video which I will be sharing soon, to follow the process of how to make the pairs. So till then, goodbye and enjoy the series. Bye bye.